Introduction. Sometime we need to use numbers with a negative sign. The most common area is while expressing temperature. In cold regions, the temperature goes below zero and is expressed as negative numbers. In this lesson, we will learn about collection of negative numbers, positive number, and whole number, that is also known as integers. Objectives. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to define integers, explain integers on a number line, define ordering of integers, find addition and subtraction of integers, define addition and subtraction of integers on a number line. Hello students! You already know about natural numbers and the whole numbers. If we put negative numbers and whole numbers together, the collection of numbers is known as integers. This figure represents a line marked with some points at equal distance. A point on it is marked as 0. Points to the right of 0 are positive integers. Points to the left of 0 are negative integers and are marked -1, -2, -3, and so on. This type of representation of integers is called the number line representation. Here, to mark +2 on the number line, we move 2 points to the right of 0. Similarly, to represent -5, we move 5 points left of 0. Let us again observe the integers which are represented on the number line. We know that 9 is greater than 5, and on number line, 4 points right of 5. Similarly, 5 is greater than 0, so placed right to it. Since 0 is to the right of -2, it is greater than -2. Again, -2 is on the right of -7, so -2 is greater than -7. Thus, we see that on the number line, the bigger numbers are placed right and smaller at the left. Addition of two positive numbers. Example. A boy is riding a ladder staircase. He goes 6 stairs up from the ground and halts for a while, then goes up 4 more stairs. How many stairs he goes up from the ground? +6 plus +4 is equal to +6 plus 4, which equals +10. Addition of two negative numbers. Example. In a game, you have to pick up any 2 pieces of paper on which a number is written. You have to add the numbers written on these 2 papers. Suppose you get -2 and -5. What is the result of addition of these 2 numbers? -2 plus -5 is equal to -2 plus 5, which equals -7. Addition of two integers. Example. Suppose in the above game you get the numbers +5 and -9 on the slips. What is the sum? +5 plus -9, which is equal to -4. Students, now we learn addition of two positive integers on a number line. If we add 6 and 4 on the number line, the first moves 6 steps to the right from 0, reaching 6. And then we move 4 more steps to the right of 6 and reach 10. Thus we get 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. Let us add two negative numbers, -5 and -4 on the number line. In this case, first we move 5 steps to the left of 0, reaching -5. And then we move 4 steps to the left of -5 and reach -9. So we see when we add two positive integers, their sum is a positive integer. When we add two negative integers, their sum is a negative integer. An ant is moving on a number line. It moves 6 points right from 0 and then comes 2 points back. Where is it at present? It will be at 6 plus -2 is equal to 4th point to the right of 0. If the same ant moves 6 points left and then 4 points to the right, then where it will be? It will be at -6 plus, within bracket, +4 equals -2. That is, second point to left of 0. Now we will learn additive inverse. Suppose the ant walks 3 points from 0 to the right side and walks back 3 points. Where does it reach ultimately? You can see that it will reach to 0. We add 2 and -2. We obtain the sum as 0. Numbers such as 3 and -3, 2 and -2, when added to each other, give the sum 0. They are called additive inverse. For better understanding, we can solve one example. We arrange the numbers so that the positive integers and the negative integers are grouped together. Now let us find the value of -10 minus -5 using a number line. This is same as -10 and +5, as the additive inverse of -5 is 5. First, we move 5 steps to the right on the number line, starting from -10. We reach to -5. Summary. Let us summarize what we have learned. The set of integer is z, which is equal to, within bracket, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. On the number line, all negative integers lie to the left of 0 and all positive integers lie to the right of 0. The number 0 is less than every positive integer and greater than every negative integer. Rules for addition and subtraction of integers. 1. When two positive integers are added, we get a positive integer. When two negative integers are added, we get a negative integer. When one positive and one negative integer are added, we subtract them and put the sign of the bigger integer. The